The Philippines has been dealing with rapid economic and societal changes in recent years, from the devastation caused by calamities to the strain of COVID-19 pandemic that caused disruption in the delivery of services, reduction of economic activities, increase in the national debt, and loss of thousands of lives, and with other emerging issues in the country. Appropriate and effective plans, policies, and programs are necessary to accelerate the country's economic recovery towards sustainable and inclusive growth. To steer the economy back on a high-growth path, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. instructed the National Economic and Development Authority to work with other agencies on the Philippine Development Plan for 2023 to 2028, which aims for economic and social transformation towards a prosperous, inclusive, and resilient society. PDP 2023 to 2028 is aligned with current administration's 8-point socio-economic agenda, which aims to reduce poverty incidence and elevate the country's status as an upper-middle income economy. It is also geared towards the attainment of a matatag, maginhawa at panatag na buhay para sa lahat, as envisioned in Ambition Natin 2040. Philippine Statistics Authority Board, chaired by National Economic and Development Authority Secretary Arsenio M. Balisacan, approved the Philippine Statistical Development Program 2023 to 2029 through PSA Board Resolution No. 2, Series of 2024. The Philippine Statistical Development Program was formulated to support the data requirements for the monitoring of the PDP to ensure that its targets have been achieved. The Psdp is the country's version of the national strategies for the development of statistics and sets the directions, thrusts, and priorities of the Philippine statistical system in the medium term for the generation and dissemination of statistical information for policy and decision-making of the government, private sector, and the general public. It contains priority statistical development programs and activities designed to provide vital information support to national development planning as well as international commitments. It is also a tool for integrating and coordinating the statistical activities of the government. The key to effective plans and programs is evidence-based information through the use of accurate, relevant, timely, and reliable statistics. As the country aims higher to develop and improve services, to enhance strategies and plans, and to adopt new technologies and innovations that will effectively respond to the emerging and persisting needs of the country, and ultimately, to attain a sustained and improved quality of life for all, decisions should be anchored on quality statistics. Psdp 2023 to 2029 envisions for the Philippine statistical system a responsive, relevant, and innovative statistical system that provides quality statistics for evidence-based planning and decision-making towards improved and sustained quality of life for all. The Psdp aims to produce accurate, relevant, timely, reliable, and accessible statistics for evidence-based decisions and policies, to increase awareness, understanding, appreciation, utilization, and trust of general public on statistics, to continually adopt technological advancement in data production and generation, to produce available and accessible more granular data, and to increase utilization of non-traditional sources of data. The Psdp is a product of collaborative effort and commitment of the members of the Philippine statistical system, carried over through a series of consultation, discussions, and fora involving the various statistical committees and other PSS stakeholders. The preparation and formulation of the Psdp was guided by the Psdp Steering Committee as well as the PSA Board. The various statistical committees and groups such as technical committees, interagency committees, technical working groups, sectoral working groups, regional, provincial, city statistics committees, and the CBMS Council drafted the statistical development programs for the production and generation of data, dissemination and utilization of statistics, management and coordination of the PSS, statistical capacity development, local statistics development, and partnerships in international cooperation. The key priorities that were taken into consideration in the formulation of the Psdp 2023 to 2029 are the PDP 2023 to 2028, Executive Order 352, Sustainable Development Goals, Sectoral Plans, Republic Act No. 10625 or the Philippine Statistical Act of 2013, RA 11055 or the Philippine Identification System Act, RA 11315 or the Community-Based Monitoring System Act, Civil Registration and Vital Statistics Decade in Civil Registration Laws, and international commitments. The Psdp has 29 chapters containing 432 statistical development programs and activities. Management and coordination of the PSS, Health and Nutrition Statistics, Education and Cultural Statistics, Population, Housing and Migration Statistics, Income, Poverty and Hunger Statistics, Social Protection Statistics, Labor and Employment Statistics, Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries Statistics, Industry, Trade and Services Statistics, Tourism Statistics, Science, Technology and Innovation Statistics, Information Society Statistics, Investment Statistics, Statistics on Children, Youth and Gender and Development, Macroeconomic Statistics, Price Statistics, Monetary, Financial and Government Finance Statistics, Energy and Water Statistics, Transportation and Infrastructure Statistics, Security, Justice and Peace Statistics, Governance Statistics, Environment and Natural Resources Statistics, Statistical Capacity Development, Statistical Information Management and Dissemination, Civil Registration and Vital Statistics, Local Statistics Development, Community-Based Monitoring System Statistics, Partnerships and International Cooperation, Sustainable Development Goals Monitoring. Government agencies at the national, regional, and local levels, including LGUs, are expected to finance and implement their respective statistical development programs, projects, and activities in consultation, coordination, and/or collaboration with other relevant agencies and development partners. To track progress of the PSDP, the PSA shall periodically monitor and evaluate the outputs and outcomes of the SDPs in coordination with the implementing agencies and various statistical committees and report and publish the M&E results, including analysis and recommendations. Let us all continue working better and together with more clarity of purpose and using smarter and quicker ways to provide the right kind of statistics at the best time they are needed. Let us make the kind of statistics that best inform policies and plans and guide decisions and actions for the common good of everyone, but first and foremost, for the best of those who are left behind.